Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decorations. I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down, and don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. So let's start the video, and don't forget to comment me down which room decor you like. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration, the wall and the pink color theme. This also you can see the beautiful bathroom, you can see the mirror, the wall and the mirrors and all. Very beautiful decoration, you can see it is looking very beautiful. This also you can see you can keep your clothes and all, anything you can keep your beautiful thing, you can keep anything, clothes and all. It's very beautiful. And this also you can keep your clothes, shoes and all, and beautiful things you can keep. Very beautiful, you can see it is looking very beautiful. So also you can see the lights, the floor lights, you can see the lamp, you can see the beautiful lamp and all. Beautiful decoration, you can see it looking very good. This also you can see the upper lights and the floor, you can see the wall and the lamp and the chair and all. It is very beautiful decoration, looking very beautiful. And this also you can see the screen, the back side you can see the beautiful wall, you can see it is very beautiful. And this also you can see the fire, you can see the down fire, the up, you can see TV, you can see screen. It's very beautiful. This also you can see how beautiful the black color theme and all, the floor, the roof, the everything is very beautiful, looking very expensive, very good. Very nice. Also you can see the floor, the white color theme, the beautiful theme, you can see the white color theme and the mirror, the window, the roof and all. Very beautiful decoration. So also you can see very beautiful the lamp, the bed and all, the beautiful decoration and the curtains and all, and the floor. Very beautiful decoration and design. This one also the yellow color theme, the lamp, the floor and the bed. This one also the stairs, very beautiful stairs, the lights and all. It is looking very good, very nice. The white color theme and black theme. This one also you can see the roof, you can see the roof, you can see the floor and the lights and all, the beautiful lights and all. Very beautiful. And this one you can see the lamp and the up lamp, you can see the lights and all, you can see down, you can see very beautiful decoration, looking very good. This one also you can see the pink color theme, and the sides you can see the cupboard place, you can keep any expensive thing or any beautiful thing. And this also you can see the screen, the wall, you can see two color, they put very beautiful colors and all. And this also the pink color chair, and the sides you can see the room dress. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And don't forget to comment me down which room you decor you like. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.